Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you how to make coated peanuts at home, what we call NKATIA bogar here in Ghana. Take a close look and you are going to love it. So lovelies, let's dive in. I'll be using 3 cups of peanuts. No matter how clean and clear your peanuts may appear, please make some time and pick through, okay? When I pick through mine, this is what I had. And make sure you get rid of all stones in it. It's very important, okay? So guys, I then transfer this into my mixing bowl and add enough hot water to it. We're using hot water, okay? Take note about that. So I add salt to my taste, okay, and then I gently stir to dissolve the salt. You have to handle the peanuts with care so that they don't open up, okay. So guys, I then go ahead and cover this and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes now and we are going to strain it. I'll be using this colander to do the straining and I'll do that off camera. And guys, we are done with the straining and finally this is how our peanuts look. So I will get my baking tray right here. I'll be using 2 because I want to speed up the drying process, okay? So I will gently spread that on my trays. I'm very lucky. Today is a sunny day, so I'm sure it will not take much time to get this thing dried. Alright guys, so I am going to dry this under the sun. I will be back in a few minutes. And we are back. Our peanuts are nicely dried, and as you can see, yeah, just like I said, today is a sunny day. It took me about 20 minutes to get this thing dried, and that was fast. So we are going to set this aside and proceed to the next step. Here we are going to make our wet ingredients, and I'll be using 3 eggs, then I add half teaspoon of vanilla flavor. I add 2 tablespoons of sugar, okay. Then we mix all together. Mix well to dissolve the sugar. Alright, so we set this aside. And then make our dry ingredients. Here I'm using 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, then I add 1 teaspoon of salt, and I go ahead and grate in half nutmeg. Then I mix all together. You can also add powdered milk. I just realized that I ran out of stock. With or without powdered milk, you can still make your nice coated peanut, but if you add the powdered milk, it's going to give your coated peanut an extra flavor and taste, okay? So it's very important to add it. So here it's time to do our coating, and we are going to do it in 2 batches. So this is my first batch, and then the second batch I'll do that off camera, okay, to save you some time. So here I go in with my wet ingredients. Okay, and then we shake so that the wet ingredients get everywhere. And then we now spread the flour on it. just like this. So simple. So you now shake, throw, then you shake. Hey, come here. So you shake, throw, like that motion, just the way I'm doing it. Okay. So if you feel like they have stuck to each other too much, then you can stir that with a spatula or something plastic, but don't use metal to do that. Okay, anything plastic you can use to stir gently. So guys, we are done with the first coating. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? Now we begin with the second coating, just like we did before. It's the same process we are going to repeat. Okay, I'll be coating my peanuts 4 times. Because it's the same process, I'll do 2 on camera and then 2 off camera, just to save you some time, because the process is the same thing. And we are on the second coating. Okay. And this is my 4th coating, and that is going to be my final one. Just like I said earlier, I did the rest off camera because the process is the same thing. Okay, and I didn't want to prolong the video, so you want to go through and make sure that all those that have stuck together, you go ahead and separate those. Is very important. But because my peanuts are properly coated, they didn't stuck to each other that much. So next we get a sieve, and then we make sure that we get rid of any excess flour at the bottom. The truth is that if your peanuts are properly coated, there will not be much flour at the bottom, so watch carefully. Okay. Can you see that? Because our peanuts are properly coated, there's not much flour at the bottom. But still, let's sieve this. No flour is even coming out because the peanuts are properly coated. Yes, and that is the right thing to do. Okay. That's it. Beautiful, guys. I just love it. So simple as that. And we are done with the first batch. I will do the rest off camera, and here everything is set and ready to be fried. Well separated, guys. We are genius. I can't wait to fry this and then have a bite. So guys, this is the remaining of our wet ingredients. I think 2 eggs should have been okay. Yes, but with the flour we use everything. 1.5 cups, we use everything. So guys, let's begin the frying process. So you can test your oil with onion or just a peanut. So drop 1 peanut in the oil. You see bubbles around the peanut. As soon as those bubbles vanish, then you take that 1 peanut out. It means that your oil is well heated. Then you go ahead and drop in the remaining. Okay. And guys, I am doing this on medium heat. Don't try it on high heat, and don't try it on low heat too. If you try it on high heat, it's going to burn, and if you try it on low heat too, it will soak oil. So medium is the best for this. Okay, and as soon as you drop in, begin to stir. From time to time you come in and then stir so that they all fried evenly and come out the same color. Okay. time to time you want to come in and then you give it a gentle stir, just like the way I am doing here, still on my medium heat. And when it starts to turn golden brown, it means that it's ready. So at this point, we take it out from the oil, and you have to be fast, okay? You need to be fast. So guys, look through the oil very carefully. Can you see flour in it? No, that means the peanut were properly coated. Hello there, I present to you our coated peanut. If you're looking forward to make a business but then your capital is not that much, why don't you try this coated peanut business? It doesn't take much time, it's very simple and easy to make, and trust me, you are going to make a lot of profit. So this is the bag I'm going to use to store. I'm going to use this Ziploc bag. I wanted the small sizes, but I didn't get. I had these big ones. But anyway, it's okay. We are going to use this to do the packaging. These coated peanuts can last for so many months in an airtight container or bags and still crunchy. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Try your hands on it. Trust me, you can do it. And then tag me to come and watch. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Bye, y'all.